Let's talk about how you can view the copied text history on the iPhone, and let's get into it. So, as you know, you can go ahead and copy text and then paste it, and obviously it is stored somewhere in the background. But if you want to get more control over it, there are some options you can explore, as you can go ahead and open up the App Store and check out some Clipboard applications. You can literally just type in Clipboard, and there is one which technically is a keyboard, but it is a place to store all of your different things, right? So you can just copy different things to the actual new keyboard, and there you will see not only a history of your copied text, but you also be able to just paste something really quickly, as you can save and set up templates, and it just makes it a lot simpler if you copy and paste a lot of things. Like you can also just supports images, so you can paste it there. It works on multiple different platforms, like on your Mac, on your iPad, as well as the iPhone, and it is a great app which you can go ahead and explore. There are also other Clipboard applications which are a little bit older looking, or yeah, you can just do something else with them. But so the point is that there are apps which get the job done. It's just not possible to do it through the built-in solutions. So let me know below in the comments what you think about it. If you have ever tried such app before, thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future tutorials.